Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a simple and stunning nail art design using just a toothpick. It will hardly take a few seconds and it will look amazing on your nails. So let's do it. Apply your first layer of gel polish. We won't be using a second layer of gel polish. So make sure to apply a thick first layer to create the design. For this video and all my videos, I only use gel polish, not regular polish. It's important to note this because some people get confused. Next we are going to use a second gel polish. I'm using white, but you can choose any color you like. Just make sure it's lighter if your base color is dark. Make 2 lines of white gel polish. As you can see in the video, create a line from the edge of the nail leaving some space in the middle. Do not merge the 2 lines. Make sure the lines are thick because we will be creating nail art with these lines. If you can't make a thick line with one stroke, use 2 or 3 strokes to make it thicker. Add 3 or 4 strokes with the brush to make the lines thicker. Once you have done that, we will move on to the next step using a toothpick. For our nail design, start from the middle of the nail and create an S shape. Continue making the S pattern without lifting your hand. This will automatically form the design. As you can see on the screen, it is very easy to create. You just need to stay focused while doing it and continuously make the shape S. If you have finished the design, place your nails under UV light for 30 seconds to let the gel polish dry. Then apply a top shiny coat all over the entire nail, making sure not to leave any part untouched. If you miss a spot, it will look uneven and that part will remain sticky. Ensure the top coat is applied evenly across the whole nail. After that, cure it under UV light for another 30 seconds to let it dry completely, and it's done. If you enjoyed watching my videos, do like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay updated about more such videos in future. Thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.